Manifest what you desire all night long. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. This morning, I got a text from a friend, and she said, Robert, something amazing is happening to me. I am doing my affirmations all night long. I'm doing my affirmations even in my dreams. And that reminded me of years ago when we were looking for a special place for one of our businesses. And we were just running into every kind of roadblock you can imagine. And I began doing a simple incantation or affirmation. There is a difference between an incantation and an affirmation. We'll get into that here in a moment. But I did it all night long. And every time I woke up, I went back to sleep doing the affirmation. Within like 2 days, the location that I absolutely wanted unexpectedly opened up. I mean, even the real estate agent said, we didn't expect this location to open up. We had no previous notice of it. But it opened up and we were able to move our store into that location. I've used it several other times and I've had many clients use it with great success. Okay, an incantation is, I command my subconscious mind to do the following: to aid me, to help me, to empower me. I command my subconscious mind. Now, an affirmation is generally an I am statement. I am. We are. It is. It is present tense language. It is present tense energy. That's what an affirmation is. So we use both of them in miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching for different situations. For example, if you have arthritis and you have pain in your knee and you're rubbing the cream on and all of that kind of stuff, well, you might use an incantation. I command my subconscious mind to eliminate or reduce the pain in my knees. And by doing that, as you fall asleep at night, over several nights, you'll find that your subconscious mind now takes control of your brain, kind of rewires it, and all of a sudden, the pain in your knee is reduced. Remember, pain in your body, for example, is always in the brain. That's where pain is determined. So that's what an incantation is. But we talked about an affirmation. And an affirmation is very, very powerful. How about if you're doing your affirmations in your dreams? If you are doing them all night long? If you wake up in the middle of the night and you catch yourself right in the middle of doing your affirmation, that means that your conscious belief has matriculated into your subconscious mind and it's now taking root. Remember, your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite field of potential. That's how you communicate with the infinite field, through your subconscious mind. So here's what you do. It's very simple. Do this tonight. Take one simple I am affirmation. I am master of money. I am master of my emotions. Whatever affirmation that you're focused on right now and make it an I am affirmation. I am happier than ever before. I am healthier than ever before. And recite that affirmation about a half hour before you go to bed. Just have it going in your head. You can do it in your mind. Even as you're brushing your teeth and getting yourself ready, be doing that I am affirmation in your mind. And then go to sleep. And as you are falling asleep, continue to do the I am affirmation. It's powerful. But now here's the secret. Listen to me on this. Throughout the night, as you rise to the surface, and perhaps you have to get up to relieve yourself, maybe you just wake up and roll over, remind yourself to begin doing the I am affirmation again. So you're sleeping, you kind of wake up and you roll over and you go, oh yeah, I am master of money. And you continue to do it until you fall back to sleep. Do this every single night. I like to say, make a commitment for 28 days. And what happens is about the third or fourth day, you'll find yourself doing your affirmations in your dreams. That means your affirmation is no longer just a conscious desire. It's part of your belief system. And that's what it takes to manifest what you deeply desire, to get those affirmations back into your subconscious mind where you can connect with the infinite field of potential. Oh, I know you're going to love doing this, and please send me a letter. Let me know how it's going for you. I'm excited. I love this technique. I've used it on and off for years. Many of my clients have used it to great success. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.